Most often, newbie traders are confused on what lot size to use when they want to place their trade. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how to calculate the exact lot size you need to place to avoid blowing up your account. So if you're new to the channel, this is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify Forex trading and help you make money from the Forex market. For you to know the exact amount of lot size to use in a particular trade, I want you to note few things. Number one, take note of your balance. Then determine the risk that you want to take. How many percent of your account you want to lose per trade. Number three, you must determine ahead of time the amount of pips you want to use for your stop loss. So let's say, for instance, that you have an account of $300 and you want to risk 2% of your account per trade. Thirdly, your predetermined stop loss is 40 pips in that trade. So to get the exact lot size that you're going to use, multiply the balance with the risk that you want to take, then divide it by the stop loss multiplied by 1000. That is balance times risk divided by stop loss times 1000. Once you do this, you're going to get the most appropriate lot size that you should use in a particular trade. So have 300 times 2 divided by 40 times 1000. When you do that maths, you will have 0.015 lots. So that is what you're supposed to use, but approximate it to 0.02 lot size. So in that case, you will not trade more than 0.02 lot size per trade. So this is exactly how you can calculate the exact lot size you have to place in a particular trade. So if this helps, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.